how to fit exercise into your life, what to do next. Greetings. If you have been following along in this series, you know the incredible benefits that keeping physically active can deliver. You also understand the amazing power of your brain to turn conscious effort into unconscious habit. You learn to focus on benefits rather than efforts, keeping your big why first and foremost in your mind. Now it's time to take action. All the physical fitness knowledge in the world won't help you if you do not get up out of your chair. You are armed with a proven method for fitting exercise into the busiest of schedules. Even the most time-pressed road warriors can find 2.5 hours of wasted time in their weekly schedules. Eat a healthy diet, get plenty of rest, and drink lots of water, and your new physically active habits can deliver a truly astounding physical and mental transformation in a very short period of time. Time is not promised to any of us. You are not guaranteed next month, next week, or even tomorrow. So get started today prioritizing your time for enjoyable physical activities like cycling, yoga, hiking, Pilates, or playing sports with your family. Those simple activities performed on a consistent basis will eventually become a beautiful habit that makes you healthier, stronger, and sharper. And you will also feel and look great. The choice is up to you. Continue doing what you have been doing, and 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years from now, you will be the same as you are right now. Or you can prioritize your 2.5 hours of physical activity out of the 168 hours of living you do every week and live longer, happier, and healthier.